Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the ROVSUN 15 LBS model and the Nixod mini washer. In today's video, we will dive into their specifications, features, and usability to help you make an informed decision. Whether you're living in a small apartment, going camping, or just need a compact solution for laundry, we've got you covered. Let's get started. When it comes to capacity, the ROVSUN offers a combined washing and spinning capability of 15 pounds, with 9 pounds for washing and 6 pounds for spinning. On the other hand, the Nixod provides a total capacity of 15 Ls, but it is primarily designed for smaller loads, making it ideal for delicate items like underwear and baby clothes. If you need to wash larger items or more laundry at once, the ROVSUN might be the better choice. In terms of features, the ROVSUN stands out with its built-in drain pump and separate timer controls for washing and spinning, making it a versatile option for various laundry needs. Conversely, the Nixod is designed with portability in mind, featuring a foldable design that allows for easy storage and a spin basket for efficient drying of small loads. Depending on your priorities, each machine offers unique advantages. Size is another crucial factor to consider. The ROVSUN, while offering more functionality, is bulkier and may not fit well in very tight spaces. It measures 26.57 inches in length, making it a substantial presence in any laundry area. In contrast, the Nixod is much more compact, unfolding to just 12 inches in width and height, and can be easily stored away when not in use. If space is a concern, the Nixod's design may be more appealing. In conclusion, both the ROVSUN and Nixod portable washing machines have their strengths and weaknesses. If you require a machine with a larger capacity and versatile features, the ROVSUN is a solid choice. However, if you prioritize portability and ease of storage, the Nixod is an excellent option for small loads. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.